Now in LCR circuit, when VL equivalent to VC, we have discussed previously two conditions when VL was greater than VC and VC was greater than VL. Now in the third situation, VL equivalent to VC will mean, in place of VL, IXL equivalent to IXC. I will cancel out, so XL equivalent to omega L equivalent to, in place of XC we can write 1 upon omega C, and when we will transfer this omega, so omega is square equivalent to 1 upon LC, or omega equivalent to root LC. Now this omega can be written as omega equivalent to 2 pi nu equivalent to 1 upon root LC. Therefore, nu equivalent to 1 upon 2 pi root LC. So, under what condition VL will be equivalent to VC? When we keep the frequency of our AC source equivalent to 1 upon 2 pi under root LC. In that situation, the voltage that is developing across the inductor and capacitor will be equivalent to each other. In this condition, how much will be impedance now? Z, which is equivalent to under root R square plus XL minus XC whole square, and in this condition XL equivalent to XC. So XL and XC will cancel each other, so Z will be equivalent to under root R square, it means equivalent to R. So the total obstruction of LCR circuit is equivalent to the obstruction of the resistor only, means the obstructions of inductor and capacitor are not there. So at this time we can say that Z tends to Z minimum. So the impedance of this circuit is at its minimum value at this time. So the current that would be flowing in this LCR circuit, I equivalent to E upon Z, and when Z tends to Z minimum, Z tends to Z minimum, then so when Z will be at its minimum value, then I will tend to I maximum. So in this condition, when VL equivalent to VC, maximum amount of current will flow in this LCR circuit. This condition, this situation is called series resonance condition on account of the fact that this LCR circuit is used in a transistor or TV or in any receiving device as receiver. LCR circuit is used as a receiving circuit. So let me understand. When we tune in our transistor set, let me have tune suppose 93.5 megahertz in our FM, and at this frequency we have red FM. So when we tune our tuner, so then what happens? In our transistor sets or in these receiver sets, we have our capacitors in this way. The two plates are in this way. When we rotate our tuner in one direction, the plates rotates in this way. So the effective plate area of the capacitor increases, and thus the capacitance A epsilon 0 upon D also increases. And when we tune our tuner in other direction, then capacitor plates moves in this way, and the effective plate area which is equivalent to the area of the two plates in front of each other reduces, and in this way the capacity reduces. This reduction in the value of capacitance frequency changes, and at any time the frequency of our receiver set matches with that radio station. So there is resonance with that radio station, and we hear. So for that particular radio station, Z becomes minimum, so the current for that radio station becomes maximum. So if we are listening Red FM at any time, it means of our radio set, of our transistor set, the frequency of receiver is matching with the frequency of the Red FM. It doesn't mean that at that time the signals of other stations are not approaching. They are. Prior to it, we have 92.7 megahertz, that is big FM, and after this 93.5, we have another radio station 94.1 megahertz, that is Radio 1. But as resonance is taking place for Red FM only, so considerable current is flowing for this particular station, for this big FM, and for Radio 1 station, as resonance is not occurring. So negligible current or no current flows for these stations. So now if we want to plot curve between current that will flow in LCR circuit versus the frequency of our LCR circuit, receiver circuit. So now at the resonating frequency means that frequency at which resonance occurs, we would be having impedance of the circuit, because at resonating frequency XL and XC will be equivalent and Z will be minimum, so Z will tend to Z minimum, so maximum current will flow. Now if we increases the frequency of our receiver set, to then when we will increase the frequency, then this term XL, which is equivalent to 2 pi nu L, so with the increase in frequency this term will increase, and 1 upon 2 pi nu C will reduce, as nu is in denominator here. So when we increases the frequency, this term XL minus XC, it won't be 0 and it will add to R square, so it will ultimately increase Z, and this increase in Z will cause current to reduce. So the value of the current will reduce with the increase in frequency, and if we reduces the frequency on account of reduction in frequency, this 2 pi nu L will reduce, while a reduction in frequency will cause Xc to increase. So again this term will not be 0 and it will add to R square. So ultimately we will find that Z is increasing. This increasing Z will again cause the I to decrease. So we find that when we are listening some particular radio station, FM station, so then when the frequency of our receiver set matches with that station, maximum current flows. But when we increases the frequency of our receiver set, means of by tuning it, or we reduces the frequency of the tuner, in both the situation we find the current for that particular radio station reduces. So at resonating frequency maximum current will flow, and with the increase or decrease there will be decrease in the value of the current flowing. Now we define a term quality factor, or it is called Q factor, for LCR circuit in resonance. So by the term quality factor we mean the ratio of VL or VC to VR. At resonance we know that VL and VC are equal. So when resonance is occurring, so by the term quality factor of our receiver set, by the term quality factor of our LCR, we mean ratio of VL or VC to VR. So it will be equivalent to VL means I XL, VR means I R, so I will cancel out. It will be equivalent to XL equivalent to omega L upon R, equivalent to omega means 1 upon root LC into L upon R. It can also be written as So now this L in the numerator can be written as root L into root L upon under root LC into R. So 1 root L will be cancelled. So we will be left with Q factor equivalent to here 1 upon R under root L is in the numerator and root C is surviving in denominator. So root L upon C. Now L and C are fixed at the time of resonance. So we can say that quality factor is inversely proportional to the resistance. So at the time of resonance, VL and VC or XL and XC cancel out each other. So what amount of current will flow in the LCR circuit will now depend. At this time, the impedance of the circuit is simply equivalent to the resistance, and if resistance is more, then quality factor will be low and vice versa. So if we plot a curve if we plot curve for quality factor, then the value of current will be higher when resistance will be low. So this sort of curve will be obtained. Again we are plotting curve to explain quality factor between frequency and current. So at the resonating frequency, maximum current would be flowing, and when we increases or decreases the frequency, in both the conditions, as we have discussed for plotting curve between I and nu, that in both the situations we would be having impedance increasing. So this sort of curve will be obtained when resistance is low, while when we would be having resistance higher. So when resistance would be higher, then impedance, which is equivalent to resistance only at the time of resonance, so impedance will also be higher. So we would be having the peak value of current comparatively lower. So this sort of curve will be obtained low R, then we would be having high quality factor, and this sort of curve will be high R, then we would be having low Q. That's all.